Here's a Carrier base model and a model home running. Hardly blowing any air out the fan. Blows very clogged. Carrier. Tiny. It's a 2009 2-ton, model number 24ABB3 003100. That's about outdoor temperature, and that's cold and sweaty as suction is. So it's working alright, I guess. There's the furnace flue vent, and the water heater flue vents over here. That house there actually has dual zone units. There's 3. Ooh, one just kicked down. Let's go look. This one just kicked down. 2009 2-ton, same as the other one. That's already getting cold. It's outdoor temperature. Also 2009 2-ton. And then this one's got a scroll compressor, Huron. 2010 2-ton. So, that's 3 units. This is the one with the model home. A lot of these houses have 3 and 4 tons, but this is the smallest model. None of the bigger ones are open, so you're stopping by and having a look. All this neighborhood's Payne and Carrier. Actually, Carrier and Comfort Baker. They're unbranded ICP units, but the model number begins with C in the new ones. But I mean, it's Comfort Baker. So my battery's low. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.